Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Friday. Well, today we have another unbagging. Let's see who this is for or from. Alright. Got a few things in here. I think that's it. Alright, let me take a look and see who this is from. Okay, it's from OneDaySaving, and this is going to be in 2 parts. So the next part will be next Friday. So let's take a look at what we have today. Hang on just a second, guys. Let me get everything organized. Alright. So we have one of the little lipstick holders. And it was $3.31. That is, if I can figure out how to... Okay. When in doubt, just cut it right out of the bag, because we're not going to put it back in. But it is Van Gogh's Sunflowers. And they're three-dimensional-ish. You know, it's not smooth. It's like it's embossed with the picture. And I take one of these. Hang on, because heaven knows we have enough of these little... Well, I should have just left that in there, huh? Little poof balls. And it does have... I don't know that I can get it so you can see inside of it. But there's 2 holes and then a flat part like a lipstick would sit in. And then you just screw it down and it keeps your needles. But in order to keep it from going down in those holes, you take your little poof ball and stick it in there. And you stick your needle in there. Just happen to have 3 here. Whoop. Let's get it going in the right direction. Now this idea came from Ava, Stitching in the Interlake, if I could just talk. And then you roll it down like a lipstick and it goes flush. Let me see if I can bring it in. Yeah, it's just too dark, but you see? And the poof ball holds them up so they're easy to grab. And it has a magnetic top. And they're all down in there flush. So yeah, I just love these little things, and they're not too expensive. I have 3 or 4 of these. And I put them in my bags when I go out, like in the summertime, to go to a video outside. And that way, if I drop my needle out there in the wild, I have another needle. So yeah, they're really great. Really durable, heavy metal construction. But yeah. And they'll hold a lot of needles. And if you don't have a poof ball, you could probably put a cotton ball in there. Just anything to keep it from letting the needles go all the way to the bottom, because they get stuck in the bottom if you don't do that. So that was Ava's suggestion. Alright, let's see. So the next thing I have is a 46 by 66, and it is an 11 count. Get it out of its bag. Alright. And it is a picture of a geisha. This one is, whoops, I'm sorry, I forgot to move you out. My bad. It is pretty pixelated here, so I don't know how the picture will look. We'll see. But I thought it had lots of pretty colors. Just beautiful. Let's take a look. And like I said, 46 by 66, so it's fair size. Does have a pretty good size pattern picture. Looks like most of your confetti is going to be up here in the trees But the rest of it seems pretty flat out easy. Does have 26 colors. This paper pattern will match your canvas. And it was $14.11. And it doesn't have a name on it. It does have the product number right here and how big it is. But it doesn't say how many stitches per stitch. You know, we'll look here in a minute. It does have an instruction page. Front, only front, but how to start, how to finish. Let's take a look at those beautiful colors. Whoops, we're attaching ourselves here. Let me grab that. There are 2 needles that it kept getting stuck on. Let me shut that down a minute so it doesn't get all snagged up. Let's see what we got going. Well, you got a whole skein of 3865, so there's probably 40. I don't think so. 1, 2. I wish I could sit there and count that. That's 5, 10, 20, maybe 25, 30. It says 40 there, so maybe there are 40 strands. But look at those beautiful, vivid colors. The rest of them they put on here. There's a big old wad of that fuchsia color for the trees. You got some greens, some bright greens. That looks like 701, 702. Not sure. Let me look. What number are you? 17 or 18? 9, 11, and 9, 13 for those greens. Yeah, just beautiful colors. You do have a little bit of 310 black. And no 550 purple. You got 554. So beautiful colors. Just absolutely stunning, stunning colors. And there's a lot of thread there for some reason. Oops, almost forgot. Roll you up, put you in there. Let's get the canvas out. Make sure it's right set up. Hang on. It's a little long. It's kind of crinkled here, but no, it doesn't tell you how many. Looks like 173, 72, 73 by 260, maybe. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 259. So, very nice canvas. Very easy to read symbols. Let me see if I can get you up higher here and... No, that's got to go that way. Okay. That's as good as it gets. But see, here's all your confetti in those trees. Whenever you have trees, it's something else. But the rest of it has nice big areas, which is nice. A little confetti on this side right in here. Let me see if I can measure it. I'm not real sure. Hang on. It's kind of stiff. It's a excuse me, stiff like canvas that'll have to be crunched down. It is 64 and a half. 64 and a half, which is like 25 and a quarter by 46 and a half this way, or 18 and a quarter. Actual picture size is 40 centimeters or 15 and 3/4 by, let's see, 23 inches or 58 and a half. So yeah, it's fair size, but I think it'll be beautiful when it's done. It's just got some big areas. I haven't gotten on to stitching on those big areas, but it is very well printed, very easy to read or see the symbols on it. That's what I love about 11 count. There's just usually no no guessing, you know, and you have your paper pattern if you feel you need it. But yeah, just beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Fold that where it's supposed to be and set that up there. So you'll see the rest of this next week, next Friday. One Day Saving has free shipping on orders usually over $50. If that has changed, I will let you know. I wanted you to know that I ordered this the 1st of February, and today is the 17th, and I got it here in the United States already. So that was like a little bit over 2 weeks. Now they have pre-stamped and counted diamond painting and cross stitch. They do custom. I'm not sure what ones they do the custom on. They have paper quilling. They have some beaded cross stitch. They have tools and crafts for diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. And I don't know. Oh, I wrote down that they do have custom on all three. Paint by number, cross stitch, and diamond painting. So that's kind of cool. So you got your pick of, you know, whatever you so like. If they have any specials, I will let you know in the description below. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.